on, dog. I can't be all on this shit. Fuck saying some different shit, bro. Y'all keep talking about some say the different shit, but the different shit y'all telling me to say is the shit people say every fucking day. And I'm sorry if I'm yelling in your fucking ear, but goddamn, you won't listen to me for no fucking shit. Let me just calm down for a second. Goddamn, it feel like I'm eating a bake. Nigga, back up, nigga. Bitch ass motherfuckers. Hey, I ain't saying no different shit, this shit different clip. Everybody want a motherfucking touchdown, but they don't want to touch shit. Don't wanna fucking get hit, don't wanna fucking get tackled, fucking land in the grass, don't wanna get dirty. Nigga, I'm on your fucking ass, you niggas fucking hoe with the ass. Nigga, hoe with a bag, why you wanna Birkin wag? Why you wanna fucking buy fucking $400 fucking pair of jeans? What happened to that? Wearing baggy jeans from fucking $10 like you niggas is bitches, painting your fingernails like Madonna. Talk to my mama, don't listen to drama. Talking to commas, mama with drama. Everyone follow, no one leading. Mama said keep it, same energy. I'm gonna just keep it, saving the world, that's gonna be me. Making the music, defeating the world. You niggas just make it, just feeding your teeth. Niggas ain't know what I do on the beats. I eat it because I'm just making this shit. Never one different to doing it like me. EternalBeatz in this bitch. At the same time, I'm fucking MOV Dolo, Davon, Joker, Vonnie, nigga, we all got the same shit. We all acting like multiple personalities is not a thing. It's a real thing because words have power. You call somebody more than one thing. Listen, hey, don't nobody really know what to go by, nigga. I'm really going, I'm too high. Everybody knows that I'm way up in the sky. Can't come down cause I'm too hot. I'm diamond spined, diamond minded. Everybody know I'm divine and I don't even give a fuck cause I'm Davon and it rhymes for no motherfuckers. Listen, my name fucking means warrior in Sanskrit. I can fucking break this shit down no fucking deeper, nigga. I'm it, I'm him. I came back and I really just touched the rap game to fucking live. These bitches really just talk about this shit. They ain't never dipped, they ain't never resurrected, live a life. And everybody lying shit, they live the Christ. And everybody know they really just live the life. Really sinned a couple times, but listen, even Jesus wasn't perfect. Chasing with the capacity to still a sin. And everybody know they really breaking dividends. And I ain't never really just a judge again of life. It wasn't a sin cause niggas didn't judge when he was with her. So I be round people, you niggas be judging just first. Changing your shirt, go changing that shirt. His face on the shirt, they face on the shirt, face on the news. I feel like they do. Everyone talking, they feel like they move. I don't give a fuck, that bitch in the mood like I Spy. She licking, she too. She a lick, Drake a lick. If you industry plant, you a lick. You sign it down the line, my nigga, then you a lick. No, not from me, mama promise I mean no disrespect. But listen, don't disregard knowledge you get. I mean to be different, mine is different. I mean shit, just check niggas like mine pigment. It's black like you, my niggas, but listen to me. They got you in your mind, they said chase that money. But money is printed, no matter how much you chase. They gon' print the same amount of so look at time that you wasted. Like get divine, get with mine. Seeing with the third eye, seeing shit different too. Breaking out the visual food, this shit food for thought. Buffet, eat it all I got. Everyone to know I feelin' like I'm catching mine. I mean, Pokemon gotta catch them all. These niggas poking balls, and I feel too lost. Ash in the grass, cause niggas be burned every day. Everybody judge a nigga by the past. If you judge me too, better judge Jesus, Satan, I'm on your ass. Everybody know, man, I'm on that ass. Why I say that? Yeah, I'm on your ass, bitch, cause you own that land. Well, bitch, yeah, shit, no, on your ass. Everybody own that shit, you don't own nothing, I gotta own that shit. Everybody know my dad ain't average, yeah, he'll come with a fashion. Yeah, my dad really get mad. Thunder, let lightning and shake the earth. I don't even give a fuck what you niggas say. My dad don't need a gun in the purse. Everybody know my dad come with the perks. Everybody know my dad come with perks. Everybody know he come, yeah, with the wings. I don't even know but on Halo. Everybody that think nigga glow. I don't even know fuck about no igloo. Yeah, I'm colder than nigga North Pole. Yeah, I'm colder than Sorb Zero. And then I'm colder than Frozone. Super soon on and off at the same time, nigga, I'm credible, nigga, I'm dashing on these niggas and I'm bashing on these bitches. I mean violent, everybody know I'm visible to bitches. I don't give a fuck about bitches, cause they bitches is shaking money out of show polish and get fit of shit. Acting like you ain't did shit, acting like you ain't live shit, acting like you ain't give shit, acting like you ain't listen, acting like you ain't glistening to lay it down, cry to just give in. And I mean, listen, just down bad and you're real looking her in her eye. Told her you ain't felt the same way with a bitch and you ain't never lied. Told her real hard and that bitch will feel way too much probably because her mama said bitches. Her mama said niggas. Niggas ain't shit. And damn little girl listen. Real niggas get it. Ayy, and the real bitch too. Ain't talking just for niggas, talking for the earth. Everyone know we gotta get bigger than just ourselves. Ayy, I ain't even woman, but I see it from your side. That ain't there, go God. You don't even know how to come around a man. You don't even know, oh God. Yeah, that shit, you gotta be scary. It's supposed to be. That's what we here for. If that ain't there, guess what we here for? Don't call me daddy in the bed. Not what I'm here for. Just trying to get you some bread. Provider, what we here for? Yeah, I'ma spread my seed, give head. That's just what you here for. No disrespect, but read into that lecture. But not the book into your mind, just listen. What do niggas want at end of the day? Nothing else you give. Niggas really wantin' shit. We just move on polish, bitch. Everybody know I'm talking on this fucking beat like shit. Everybody said some gangster shit, I'm gonna say it then. Everybody don't wanna say a beat around the bush. Fuck a bush, I torch that bitch. Fire bucket, stay the west and bust. I'm the fire bucket, stay the west Virginia. They explain the shit. Watch the kid. Yeah, I wasn't having fun, but fun in it. Hey, you can see me in this bitch, but I'm just living now. They says I wasn't gonna be shit, and now I'm looking down. Look where they at, and look where I'm at. Like, they got material shit, and I got momentum minded. Like, it ain't never left, and never nothing really got aside. Like, nothing really changed my mind, and that's a God's plan. Like, free will, just to break it down. Like, free will, just to break it down. Like, free will, just to break it down. And like, free will, just to break it down. Like, yeah, this is still freestyler. Like, yes, this still is a freestyler. Like, yeah, this is still freestyler. Like, this beat's just too hard. And like, yeah, it's just on my mind. And like, going too different. I feel like Bonnie got it. Like, Joker's the same. Got it. Like, smiling on left hand. Like, if I were on right. Like, TikTok tack-toe. Like, I'm the zero. Got it. Like, nigga, shoot. Like, nigga, you ain't no ex, dude. Like, nigga, when that's every day. Like, nigga, already checked you. Like, nigga, you ain't this shit. Like, nigga, you a bitch too. Like, nigga, roster on wrist. Like, nigga, I'm that shit too. Like, nigga, I'm that big nigga. Like, Daniel's name on that back. Like, nigga, I can't read family. Like, nigga, you can't have that. Like, nigga, I got bursts. Like, nigga, I'm that pass back. Like, nigga, I'm from the future. Like, nigga, I'm that Mad Max and that nigga. I feel like DMC, DeLorean, bad back and that nigga. DeLorean, that's that flux packs to that jacket, that and that nigga. That's the NASDAQ and that nigga. Audio Mac and that nigga. Say I'm making Orient sounds, but nigga, I'm back with acting like nigga. Huh? Hey. Niggas and bitches, bitches is hoes. Niggas is bitches, bitches on low. Niggas is niggas, bitches is big bitches at the end of the day, you know. So just be you. Fuck all the talking. Fuck how hard this beat is. You feel me? Just chase your fucking dreams. That is what God put you here for. He gave us the ability, the God ability to dream. Dream is creation. Chase your fucking dream, bitch, and stop listening to them fucking small-brained snakes. It's Dolo.